Hello, everybody. So in this video, we're going to read two-letter words. So after you learn your ABCs and you learn the sounds of each letter, you learn that A is A, B is B, C is K, D is D. Next, you will be learning how to put two letters together. So this video will give you an opportunity to practice that on your own time. Okay? So let's go ahead and begin. So B-A, 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 ba, ba, ba. G-A is G-A, 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 ga, ga, ga. L-A is L-A, L-A, la, la, la. R-A is R-A, R-A, ra, ra, ra. CA is k, a, k, a, ka, ka, ka. HA is a, a, ha, ha. MA is a, a, ma, ma. SA is a, sa, sa. WA is a, wa, wa. DA is a, da, da. JA is a, ja, ja. We're moving along. NA is a, na, na. TA is a, ta, ta, ta. YA is a, ya, ya. FA is fa, fa. KA is ka, ka, ka. PA is pa, pa, pa. VA is va, va. ZA is that, that. So here we're going to do two-letter words with the short sound for the letter E. Okay, so we're going to say one letter with the letter E, and we're going to say the word together. Okay, we're going to produce one word from these two letters with the letter E, the short E. B-E is b, e, b, e, b, e, be, be. G-E is g, e, g, e, ge, ge. L-E is l, e, l, e, le, le. R-E is r, e, r, e, re, re. C-E is k, e, k, e, ke, ke. H-E is e, e, he, he. M-E is e, e, me, me. S-E is se, se. W-E is e, e, we, we. D-E is e, d, e, de, de. J-E is j, e, j, e, j, j. N-E is ne, ne, ne. T-E is t, te, te. Y-E is y, y, y. F-E is fe, fe, fe. K-E is k, ke, ke. P-E is p, pe, pe. V-E is v, ve, ve. Z-E is z, z, z. Good job. So now we're going to do two letters together with I being the letter that we're using with the other letters, with I being the vowel that we're using with the other consonants. So make sure you follow along. Okay. So the sound for the short I, the letter I, is I, I, I. So we're going to put that sound with the sound for the letters on my left. Okay, so with the consonant on my left. So in this example, that letter will be B. So the sound for the letter B is B, B, B. You couple that with the sound for the letter I, which is I, 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 B, I, B, I, B, I, B, B. So you're bringing two letters together to make one sound. G, I, G, I, G, I, G, G. L, I, L, I, L, I, li, li. Here's a R. R, I, R, I, R, R. The letter C and I. K, I, K, I, K, K. H and I. H, I, I, H, H. M, I, 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 me, me. S, I, S, I, S, I, si, si. W, I, W, I, W, I, W, W. D, I, D, I, D, I, D, D. J, I, J, I, J, I, J, J. N, I, N, I, N, I, N, N. T, I, T, I, T, I, T, T. Y, I, Y, I, Y, I, Y, Y. F, I, F, I, F, I, F. K, I, K, I, K, I, K, K. P, I, P, I, P, I, P, P. V, I, V, I, V, I, V, V. Z, I, Z, I, Z, I, Z. Next, we're going to do two-letter words, and we're going to highlight, we're going to showcase the letter O, the short sound of the letter O. Okay, so we're going to pair the short sound with a consonant, the short sound O with a consonant. Okay, so in this example, we're going to start off with B, B-O. B-O is B, A, B, A, Ba, Ba. G-O is G, A, G, A, Ga, Ga. L-O is L, A, L, A, La, La. R-O is R, A, R, A, Ra, Ra. C-O is K, A, K, A, Ka, Ka. H-O is A, A, Ha, Ha. M-O is M, A, M, A, Ma, Ma. Is Sa, 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 Sa. W-O is W, A, W, A, Wa, Wa. D-O is D, A, d, da, da. J-O is j, ja, ja. N-O is na, na. T-O is t, ta, ta. Y-O is y, ya, ya. F-O is a, fa, fa. K-O is k, ka, ka. P-O is p, pa, pa. V-O is v, va, va. Z-O, z, za, za. Now we're going to pair the U sound, the short U sound, with another letter. So the sound for the letter U is ah, ah, ah. So we're going to go ahead and pair that with the letter B in this first example. B, U is b, b, ba, ba. Gu is g, g, ga, ga. Lu is la, la. Ru is ra, ra. Cu is k, ka, ka. Hu is ha, ha. Mu is ma, ma. Su is sa, sa. W, w, wa, wa. Du is d, da, da. Ju, j, j, ja, ja. Nu, na, na. And tu is t, ta, ta. Yu is y, ya, ya. Fu is fa, fa. Ku is k, ka, ka. Pu is p, pa, pa. Vu is v, va, va. Zu is z, za, za. Okay, learners, that's all I have. See you soon.